Oh, that noise camping. Well, folks, it's been a long time. I know the masses, the thousands of followers I have been asking for another video, so I wasn't planning on coming out, but this is just for the followers. All 81 of you, cheers. There's the big man out as always.
Finally.
Carn Mountain. Views are to die for. Not even a wind, or a bit of wind in sight. Till I get this steak in there. It's probably here. All set up, ready to cook, and then I realise there's no gas, so big man's gonna bail me out. Here's the setup for tonight. A couple of bottles of water, fire log, usual. Big dogs. Sirloin, a couple of tins, and the bucky now disguised in a bottle. So I'm trying to come up in the world. And then the table, which is the job. Big man's lighting her up. Oh, and the flip-flops. Shout out to Galgore. If you want to sponsor my channel, by all means, we always go the last weekend before Christmas. If you want to do something for us, by all means, yep. You know, if you sponsored us, you would get maybe 100 extra viewers a year. For £300, not worth it. Big man's out in a new tent. It's only 8 kilos, which isn't too bad.
How many?
8 kilos?
I think it's 8.5.
8.5, aye, 8.5, and then the poles at the back are an extra 4. Now, why joking? It's under, it's about 2.1 or something, I think it is, when it's a smashing one. And it's not even moving. And then that dung heap here can never get a pitch, so I've made a call and I'm going to stick to it. The tent is for sale. Probably say this in every video I've done recently. Anytime I've been camping, the tent's for sale. This is the last time, so depending on how cold it gets, it may just go on fire tonight. Because I think you'll get 100 quid for it. Depending how dependent we are on firewood, that might go up as well. But no, it's for sale. Don't like it anymore. It's just too floppy, and you can never get a flat pitch. So you need a tent that can adapt, and that is a perfect example of a tent that can't, and that is a perfect tent that can. So dinner's on. Sheep are coming over, probably looking for a slice of the steak. What's a big man on? Chicken curry. He knows how to do it. Chicken curry and rice. Don't even get that in the house. He's sitting on the top of the mountain with it, and a full stash in behind him to drink. He's only having a few in it. Back to the tent there. I was actually sitting in my rucksack, so we'll have gas. Big Sturdy says he was going to charge me fucking 10 milligrams. It was going to be £2. So we're back cooking. That's going on now, boys. Big sirloin and eats. Woo! Here we go. Oh, smell it. Buckfast steak. Can't beat them. Right, so we ended up moving from this side of the wall, which is pure wind. Tent getting the batter. From here to here. There's even a scaffold plank for a seat. Looks like someone knew we were coming. tent's barely even moving now, and it's pitched a lot better as well. There's the bomb set up there. Here we go. So, I'm gonna set up here. Welcome back, campers. Half juiced, and the sun hasn't even set yet. Tents are still there, thankfully. The wind is still the exact same, and we've now built a wee fort here for the fire log, so there's no grass being burnt underneath that. We dug it out, and we basically scraped the grass away just to make sure nothing was burnt underneath. So we'll be able to replace that in the morning, but even still, the way it is now, it's never going to burn. So we're now on to the beer samples. We mean to do this for about 18 months and long. I remember taking beers out and I didn't never put the video up. So we have got Treeline Indian Pale Lager, 4 pure, and Oatmeal Stout, 4 pure again. Before anyone asks, I'm not trying to do a haze and get a sponsorship because I don't drink these. I just bought them because the tins look good. So they've been sitting out in the shed for the guts of a year. 27th of November 18, best before 23rd of September 19. So yeah, to be honest with you, I'm not looking at a sponsorship from any of these guys. I just want to get rid of them, so I'll open them up here. Hashtag Buckfast, hit me up. So I'm just taking a break from the Buckfast and the cider. Right, so we cracked this one open, and it's called Treeline Indian Pale Lager by 4 pure, and to be fair, it tastes like fucking trees. It's alright, 5.9%. You could definitely drink it. There's no issues with it. It's not strong whatsoever. It's actually very watery. But again, it was bought purely because the cans look class. So if you're in any of your local wine marks, Tesco's, wherever you shop, you can buy these and they look pretty funky. Would you agree?
Aye, they look pretty class, I suppose.
Want we sip?
No.
Well, here we go. The paper is burnt off the log, but there's probably still a good hour burning that. I would say that log has been burning for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours easily. So I must actually get the packaging just to let you know what logs to go for, because that thing has been ripping all night. And so plenty of drink have been put into these bodies. There's the tents. There's the beast. There's the mini beast. As I said, up for sale. Give me a shout if you're interested in it. It's been a good servant. I've had it for a while now, but it's just time to move on. Morning, everybody! You back in?
Oh!
Yeah!
Log George!
That's what I have to come camping with.
Oh.
There we go, she's about 5:30, and that's the view this morning. Wee bit misty. I think the weather's the change. It's been good this whole week, but today is the end of it, so that's where we're at today. I think I'm gonna let that door open and just let it sit for the next hour to try and clear the condensation, because it is probably at red warning for condensation. It's not good. It's not good. Condensation everywhere. I think if I touch that skin, I'm gonna get soaked. I'm gonna stay in the sleeping bag for an hour or so, and then eat the rest of these bad boys. Face of beauty. we go, folks. Leave no trace. Except for all the bags of rubbish in the scaffold planks. Bags are coming with us, scaffolding plank is somebody else's. There's another one on the other side, so good luck to whoever's taking that. We've our empties on this side. This side is good to go. But what a night. That's us. That's us. More or less back at the car. 100 yards. That's the same view. We're way on up. You can't even see the saddle now, you can't even see the top. There's Loch Shannon. You can miss about 300 metres of it. Panning round the reservoir. And then the cars are just up over there, so thankfully they look to be okay. Been a few serious burnouts in this road anyway. She's still there.